I just got these stupid, dumb, worthless, fake candles because I'm stupid. And I came home and they have these little screws. Please tell me why I literally bought, it took like 3 hours to come here, every screwdriver known to mankind. There's no others. I just got these were so overpriced. I literally remember being in Target and being like debating for so long because these were so ungodly expensive. They were like $15 each. And they're screwed so tight. I don't think I'll ever, like I'm pushing, nope, not that one. I'm going through. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. She's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away, I wonder this time where she's gone. I wonder if she